Hello, everyone. Install duckdb. Command: pip install duckdb. This command installs the duckdb library, which is a fast, in-process SQL OLAP database management system. It is lightweight and allows integration directly with Python and other environments. Importing required modules. Modules. os.duckdb. OS is a standard Python module used to interact with the operating system, particularly to handle environment variables. DuckDB is imported to connect and interact with the DuckDB database engine. Setting authentication token. Code. os.environ equals your token. Sets an environment variable MotherDuck token with a token to authenticate access to the MotherDuck service. Replace your token with your actual authentication token for secure access. Connecting to MotherDuck. Code. Conn equals duckdb. Connect. Establishes a connection to the duckdb instance using the database equals md, mydb connection string, where md is likely a prefix for MotherDuck. MyDB represents the name of the database. Running SQL query to fetch data. Code. SQL query inside conn.execute.fetch.df. Executes an SQL query to fetch specific columns from a table named analysis public place os.s. The fetch.df function converts the query result into a pandas data frame. Selected columns. Includes various data points such as victimization rates, population midpoints, urban area codes, etc. Displaying the fetch data. Code. Display. Displays the fetched data in tabular format. Useful for a quick inspection to verify the query result. Converting to pandas data frame. Code. Pandas df equals pd data frame. Converts the DuckDB query result to a pandas data frame for further processing or integration with Spark. Creating a Spark data frame. Code. df equals Spark. Create data frame. Converts the pandas data frame into a Spark data frame for distributed processing. Spark is ideal for handling large datasets that require distributed computing. Writing data to onelake. Code. df. Write. Format.option.mode.save. Saves the Spark data frame as a CSV file in the directory files analysis public place os.s. The options. Header. True ensures column headers are included in the CSV. Overwrite. Mode ensures any existing data in the destination path is replaced. Reading data back into Spark. Code. df equals Spark. Read. Format.option.load. Reads the previously written CSV file back into a Spark data frame. File path. Points to the directory containing the CSV data. Displaying the loaded Spark data frame. Code. Display. Visualizes the data loaded back into Spark. This ensures the entire process of writing and reading data is working as expected.